How to increase font size on iPhone? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So let's say that you are having a hard time reading all the content and the text that is being shown in the iPhone. Well, there is a quick solution wherein you can improve the readability aspect and increase the font size. And for that, all you have to do is go into settings and go to the accessibility section. And once you're here, you can see there is this option which is called display and text size. It is the third option in the accessibility section. You have to click on it, and once you're here, you can see there are a bunch of options which will help you improve the readability of the text, like bold and larger text. Since in this video I'll be showing you how to improve or increase the text or the font size, I will click on larger text, and in here you can see there is this option which is called larger accessibility sizes. You have to check that option, and once you do that, you can toggle the scroll bar down below and make sure that the setting you put is preferable, and that's it. All the text will now appear larger as you have selected in the scroll bar down below. And if you want it to be looking even more readable, then all you have to do is check the option which is called bold text, and everything will now be darker and more heavier looking. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.